Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're here today to talk about the Boston Whaler 2022 32 Vantage. It's powered by the new Merc Trend 300s. Plenty of power for this boat. It's got the light gray hull color, and it's just a fantastic boat, all-around boat. And I'll tell you why when we get on board. Here we are on board the 320 Vantage. Let's start at the back. You've got the Mercury, the phenomenal 300s. Plenty of power for this, great hole shot, good top end on it as well. And you got a very, very comfortable seat in the back. You can put 3 to 4 adults in the back, very, very high backrest on it, so very comfortable. But if you're going to go out fishing, folds up out of the way. You got a nice bolster here, very comfortable. You got rod holders, and then conveniently located at the back, you've got one of the 2 Livewells. So this one here is very large, so you can hold a lot of bait here. You can also ice it down for drinks if you wish to do so. Little prep sink, fresh water right here. And as we move over, you've got the dive door, and it does three different things. It's a really good, safe way when you're coming from the water. It's got the very sturdy ladder on it, so you can hop, bring it right in. If I got a plane flying over me. And the other thing too is when you're boarding the boat from a floating dock, it's the same level, so it's really the safest way to get on any boat with the dive door. And lastly, if you are fishing, a lot of times you lose the fish bringing it over the gunnel. This way you can just drag them over, slide them right into the fish box, take the hook out when it's in the fish box, and it's nice and much neater setup right there, and you're less likely to lose the fish. Okay, let's move up to the prep station. Got a second live well. So if you got different baits, or if you got a lot of drinks, you can ice this down as well. So it does both very, very well. Storage in here, get the pull-out sprayer, a couple of drink holders, storage, and then the seat here does all kinds of different things. So this can lounge 2 people very, very comfortable right here, or you can bring it up, and now 2 people can sit facing forward, go in this direction. So, and you have a table that'll go mount right in here for drinks and hors d'oeuvres, that type of thing. Plenty of drink holders, phone chargers, you name it. Very comfortable dual seat, which is adjustable. So you got a switch here. You can bring it, you can raise it up. So if you're shorter like I am, you can see over, better view through the windshield. So really nice seat. Now we've got a little lie down area. So this, to get out of the, if you need to get out of the weather for anything, if you run into a rainstorm or whatever, that'll actually fold down into a bed, so you could actually take a nap down there as well. So just a very deceiving little, you had no idea 32-foot boat's got a little cabin area like that. Over at the helm, we've got 2 large Raymarines, so you got plenty of, you can split them down, dual screens. So you've got the best of electronics. You get the Mercury Smartcraft, which is a computer, Fusion Stereo, Raymarine. You've got auto trim tabs, and digital throttle and shift, and then you've got the joystick. The joystick does 3 things very, very well. I can dock this boat in any condition, doesn't matter. I can go straight sideways. I've got complete control of the boat. You'll always get a good docking every time with the joystick. Also has the sky hook if I'm waiting for a slip in a marina or a restaurant, that type of thing. I can hit the sky hook and then I can just relax, and it keeps me locked in. Then when they call me and I'm ready to go in, hit the button and in I go. And last, with the sky hook, you can, like right now, you get the sunset right in front of us. I can hit the sky hook and go up to the bow into the lounges and have a nice glass of wine. You're always facing the sun the whole time with an anchor, you're back and forth and everything else. And then when I'm done, I hit the button. I'm not worried about bringing the anchor up and cleaning it and all that. So it's just an incredible feature for the boat. You'll absolutely love it. As I move forward, you've got the head. It's a nice size head. So you've got a teak seat that'll fold down with it. So if you want to change your clothes, it's got a shower in there, so you can rinse the salt and suntan lotion off you if you're going to want to go into a restaurant after the day on the boat. So got a skylight in there as well. So really good size head with a vacuum flush toilet. Now the bow is set up very, very nicely. You've got nice table, You've got a filler cushion that'll actually come in here and make this one huge sun pad. So just a great setup as far as entertaining. And then lastly, you've got the windlass, which is down below. It's recessed out of the way, so no trip hazard on the top. You've got the ladder that you deploy, and you can go right up onto the beach, so you can step off right onto the sand and back in from the sand without getting wet, without going in the water. When you come back on board, feet, you rinse it off here before you get back in the boat and bring it on the boat. Nice little feature to have. So the Vantage with the dual console is one of the hottest boats that we sell. It does everything extremely well. It takes the big water also. And if you got any questions or would like to come and see it, my name is Bob Freeman. Give me a call at 603-213-1194.